Instagram challenges are really popular right now, like really popular. We've seen thousands of people coming into our website, kapwing.com, to make these challenges and customize templates to post to their own stories. Well, it seems like Instagram has taken note of this and they've now built a new challenge sticker into Instagram stories. So how does the sticker work and how can you use it to start making better content for your stories? Well, that's what we're going to look at today. So let's go over into Instagram and take a look. Okay, so we're here on Instagram now, and I'm just gonna slide over to my camera to start making a story. So I'll just take a picture of my desk setup here, and then I will go to the stickers up here at the top. Then you'll see right here, this new challenge sticker right here. It's got a trophy on it that turns into a hashtag. So I can open that up, and then when I'm in here, I can just start typing the name of a challenge and it'll activate it so I can nominate somebody. So something that's kind of interesting about the challenges and something I honestly think they need to do some work on as of the making of this video is that it doesn't recommend a lot of challenges to you off the bat. And if you type something that isn't a real challenge, it does not work. Like for example, if I type computer here, and then try to enter it, it'll say creating new challenges isn't available yet. So it kind of seems like Instagram may have launched this feature without fully building it out, but that's okay. We're happy to have it. So to find what challenges are available, you'll kind of have to use a hack, which is just type the letter, any letter, and then you'll see down at the bottom, all of the challenges that start with that letter will pop up. I'm scrolling through them right here. So there's a lot of things you'll find in here, probably a lot of challenges you've never heard of, but this is currently the only way to discover new challenges on the Instagram challenge sticker. I'll go ahead and put a few of the most popular challenges in the description down below so you can use those when trying to nominate somebody. So for the sake of this video, we'll just set it as a push-up challenge. And then down here you say, I nominate, and you can tag somebody. So I'll tag our Kapwing account. And then, you can move the text around, put it wherever. I'll put it over my keyboard here. And if you tap on the text here, you can use the color wheel at the top. Just tap it to change the color there. So this is definitely not the most beautiful looking challenge I've made, but it'll do for this video. So I tag Kapwing app right now, and then I will just add that to my story here. So now let's see what this looks like when you're on the receiving end of one of these challenges. So I'm going to switch back over to the Kapwing account. And then in my messages here, you'll see Kapwing memes mentioned you in a story. So if I click on this, I see the story, and then I can just click try this challenge. And then when I post my video, it'll say who I was nominated by. And then I believe as soon as I do it, I can tap to nominate others. So very flattering picture of me there, but so it goes. So yeah, this is the Instagram challenge sticker. Kind of cool. You can use it as a chain and just kind of keep it moving and keep talking to different friends and challenging them. And that is the new challenge sticker on Instagram. Go check it out. It should be in your app now under the stickers and stories. So if you found this video helpful, I challenge you to like it down below and subscribe to our channel. We're making new tutorials like this all the time for Instagram, TikTok, all kinds of social channels you might be creating content for. We want you to come check out Kapwing. It's a free tool, and we think it's super useful for finding new audiences on these platforms and making great content at no cost at all. So check it out. My name's Robert, coming to you from Kapwing today, and we'll see you next video.